Introducing the Ergo L-Block Shield, a versatile and dependable choice for both a drawing station and a storage shield for unit doses. Designed with functionality and safety in mind, this shield ensures easy access while providing superior protection. For enhanced safety, you can equip the Ergo with side shields or lead bricks to form additional walls, providing extra protection when handling higher activity levels. Phillips Safety offers the Ergo L-Block Shield in 3 lead equivalencies in order to meet your specific needs. The first option features a 0.25-inch lead equivalence window and a 0.5-inch lead equivalent front panel. The second boasts a 0.5-inch lead equivalence window and a 0.5-inch lead equivalent front panel. And the third, a 0.8-inch lead equivalence window and a 1-inch lead equivalent front panel. For more information about the Ergo L-Block Shield, visit us on our website at phillips-safety.com. Your shield can be dispatched within 5 days of placing your order, if not sooner, ensuring that you get the protection you need without delay.